everybody, this is Anu. Welcome back to Treasury Crafts. Subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon and select all notification option so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. So today I have used mostly waste materials to make this beautiful Buddha wall decor. So let's get started. Keep watching my tutorial till end to know all important steps. I request you all to watch my video without skipping. So cut a cardboard of 25 cm and 30 cm measurement. I'm taking two pieces. I have used thermocol cutter to cut the cardboard. I have used two pieces for the thickness. Use any white glue or normal glue to stick the two pieces of the cardboard. Now to cover the edges, I'm going to use masking tape. You can even cover it with newspaper and glue. In previous videos, in sunflower wall decor video, I have shown you how to cover the edges with newspaper and glue. I will give the link in the description box, do check it. Cover all four sides like this for a good finishing. Now I am going to sketch a half Buddha face. It's very simple to sketch. Just follow what I do. Consider subscribing to my channel and do share it with your family and friends who might be interested in crafting. Do comment on what you think about it. Now I'm going to use old headset wires and old charger wires which is no more in use. I'm going to use these old wires to cover the outline. Take any wires like this. Now use any super glue like Fevibond, Fevikwik or Anabond. You can get it from any shop. Apply glue and stick the wire like this. Just hold it for 2 to 5 seconds so that it will stick quickly. I have posted many creative ideas like this. I have recycled many waste materials into one beautiful craft. Don't throw any old waste cables or any plastic bottles or glass bottles. You can make many beautiful crafts out of it. Check all the videos in my channel. You will get many creative craft ideas. If you like those videos, please subscribe and support me. I'm going to decorate remaining space with lotus. I just outlined it. Now for the stem, I'm going to use the same cable or wire. Just apply glue and fix like this. If you are using Fevibond, you have to apply on both the sides and wait for 5 minutes and then you have to stick it. Now use any thread to cover the head area. Apply glue, make coil-like structure and stick it like this. Cover entire head area by following the same step. Now take a spoon of plaster of Paris. You can get it from any hardware shop. 1 kg cost about 30 rupees. Mix it with 1 spoon of glue and 1 spoon of water. Now give a coat of this paste to make the cardboard stronger. Once it dried completely, take some rice for texture. I'm going to use it to cover the border. Apply glue. Spread it with any brush or hand. Now put the rice like this. And just tap it like this to remove the excess. Repeat the same step for other two sides. Now let it dry for some time. Now take any use and throw water bottle like this. You can even use cool drinks bottle. You will need only top portion. I'm going to make petals out of it. Just draw like this and cut it. If you find it difficult to cut each petal separately like this, you can just switch to this method. Just simply draw like this and then cut it. Use top portion of a bottle so that you will get a 3D effect. You can't directly apply paint on a plastic surface, so either cover it with tissue paper and glue, or you can use homemade primer or gesso. Please check the description box to know the homemade gesso or primer recipe. Apply glue like this and cover it with tissue paper. Take some glue and mix it with equal amount of water and then do this step. Or you can use my homemade gesso or primer. Just give a coat on the each petals. Now let it dry. Use the same glue and water mixture. Apply it on the rice to seal them. I'm going to use black and white acrylic colors. This is a pearl white metallic color which will give you a shiny look. But you can even use normal acrylic white color. I'm using black acrylic color to cover the entire Buddha face. Now stick the petals using any super glue. Just arrange as you wish. I am using metallic green for the stem. I am using combination of pink and metallic white for the petals. Now take metallic golden color use fingers to highlight the face. I'm using pearl blue metallic color to highlight the rice texture. Just take some paint, wipe off the excess and highlight it. And the beautiful half-faced Buddha and lotus wall decor is ready to decor your home. I have recycled old headset and charger wires and used them through water bottle to make this beautiful wall decor. Do try this in your home. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Bye bye.